This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on KanTime. To begin, simply open the KanTime mobile application on your smartphone or tablet. It is crucial that your device's location services are turned on, as this ensures your clock-in is accurately recorded. Once the app loads, you will be presented with your main dashboard, ready for the next step. Always double-check your screen to confirm you are in the correct client account before proceeding further. After opening the app, your next step is to locate the clearly visible clock-in button on your main dashboard. Tap this button to initiate the process. A new screen will appear, prompting you to verify the client's name and the specific service you are about to provide. Carefully review these details to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, press the Start Visit button to move forward, getting you closer to beginning your shift smoothly. Now, the KanTime application will automatically attempt to pinpoint your current GPS location. This is a critical step for accurate timekeeping, so please allow a few seconds for the coordinates to load fully. You will see a map or an address displayed on your screen. It is essential to carefully confirm that this displayed address precisely matches your physical location at the client's residence or facility, ensuring everything is in order before proceeding. With your location confirmed, it is wise to take a moment and review all the information presented on your screen one final time. Double-check the client's name, service type, and the verified address. When you are completely satisfied that all details are accurate, proceed to tap the final clock-in button. A clear confirmation message or a prominent green check mark will then appear, signaling that your clock-in was successful and your shift has officially begun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.